everyone. We are from Northern Negros State College of Science and Technology. I am Tichi.
And I'm Camille.
I am Brian.
And I'm Paul.
Taking up the course of Bachelor of Arts, major in English. And we are here to introduce and discuss about the rules of
The subject,
verb
Agreement.
Rules.
One of the most common grammar mistake that English learner is most to do with the subject verb agreement. What is that? It is the simple as it sounds. The subject and the verb in the sentences must be agreed. They must match.
the first rule I will discuss is that a verb agrees with its subject in number. I will give two examples. First is in singular form and the second one is in plural form. The first example is the car is nice. Our subject there is car and our verb is. The verb and the subject agrees with each other because they are both in singular form. Our second example is the cars are nice. Our subject there is the cars and our verb there is are. We use the plural form of the subject and the verb.
Let's proceed to rule number 2. Rule number 2. The number of the subject, singular or plural, is not changed by the words that come between the verb and the subject. So let's proceed to the example. One of the eggs is broken. So one of the eggs is the subject. Is the linking verb and broken is the adjective because it modifies the subject. So let's omit the prepositional phrase of the eggs. So instead, the sentence will be one is broken.
And for the last rule, rule number 3, we have the rule of the following words may be singular or plural depending upon their use in the sentence. These are some, any, all, and most. For the given examples, we have most of the news is good, some of the flowers were yellow. Where is the is singular and the word is plural. So guys, that is the 3 given rules out of 10 of
The subject.
verb
Agreement.
Rules.
Thank you for watching.